We all know that circular design principles are central to the future of commercial interior design, but can they coexist with our appetite for the new? And what are we still getting wrong about circular design? What do we still have to learn about closing the loop? That's what we're here today to discuss in this mixed roundtable with Impact Acoustic.
I think the greatest challenges that I face when embedding circularity into our design is mainly about cost, client and collaboration, and then also time and time frames.
I actually think the biggest challenge we face is probably education in our industry. I think when it comes to design and construction, when you're trying to implement something like that, you really need to understand what it means. And I think it gets banded a lot with the words sort of green design, sustainable design, and they're not actually the same thing. So I think it's really important to have that level of education across the entire industry.
In and around the new, we obviously want to follow trends, and I think that maybe the trend should be that technical build knowledge should have a fundamental platform, so we understand fully what the product is going to do at the end of it and how it's going to be deconstructed too. We want to make sure that when we're looking at material, we're not just looking at how it is aesthetically, we're kind of really understanding it. Manufacturers of all products should now be kind of looking at the longevity, the delapse, how we can reuse all of their systems, but they should also be doing a legacy exercise as well, whereby they're looking at their products that they have previously issued and what can we do with them now? What can we do with them next?
In order for circularity to be embedded in the design practice, I do believe that it's a fundamental change in behavior. End of life is included in specification and it is part of the process, but I think it's the last possible solution that we would like to offer. It's about reusing, remanufacturing. Is it an adaptable solution? Can we create furniture or joinery that's Lego-esque and can change throughout the years? But I think recycling and end of life is definitely the last option.
It's going to take collaboration from everyone. Everyone's involved in it. We need more time when it comes to designing elements, but we also need it to not be value engineered, for lack of a better term, and for it to be programmed efficiently as well.
I also think it's going to be really important to create certain policies. I think, you know, it's not just a nice to have, we actually have to implement change, and to do that, it's going to have to be, you know, tangible processes that we can all adopt, we can all learn, we can all implement in the right way and in sort of a shared goal for the industry and the way we can make an impact.